Hello everyone, welcome back to Style and Glamour by Ulka. So I'm back with the new look. So today I'm gonna do Hello Eyes, and for that I'll be using the shade Tongue Pop on my crease and interventions on the outer corner and inner corner of the eyes to create a halo eyes effect. As you can see, again going in with the crease color, and in the center this gorgeous color donor, which is so pretty. And now you can see that I'm using this new Jeffree Star Ice Crusher highlighter palette here. Oh my god, so pretty. This is his Skin Frost Pro palette, and I am using Ice Pick Headache and Snow Job on the inner corner and highlighting my brow bone. And as you can see the swatches of the highlighter. Now I'm starting my base with Smashbox Photofinish Primerizer, which is my new favorite primer right here. Love this product. And now going in with my concealer, which is a NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Dark 1.5 Sacredor. Sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong, but you can check all the details of the makeup in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And now blending everything, I'm going in with my new L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation Pro Glow, and this is in the shade 203 Nude Beige. This is a really nice radiant finish foundation and great for oily skin. And then now I'm going in with Laura Mercier translucent powder, which is great for combination to oily skin person. And I'm baking my under eyes and going in with all the crease color, and completing my eye look with the NYX Epic Ink Liner, which is my very favorite felt tip liner for doing cat eyes and precise wings. And here you can see how precisely I've made the inner corner, extended it, so pretty. And now going in with my new favorite Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette and picking up the shade Cream Blush, which is my new favorite palette, as you can see. And oh my god, look at the rosy pink cheeks. I mean, this is so pretty. And then going in with the Glow Cream base. Also mentioned in previous video, this Glow Cream base is not bronzer base, you all. Surprisingly, I went in the Natasha Denona website and checked it out and did my research. It's a highlighter base. Well, you can be fooled really quickly, you know. And then now I'm going in with this NYX sculpting palette and picking up the 3 lighter shades in this palette, which suits lighter to medium skin tones. And then again same going in with same on the cheekbones, then under the jaw, everywhere else, you know the drill. Now we are going again with this highlighter and picking up Asphyxia Frost, and this unicorn duochromatic holographic purple shade is stunning, you all. You know, it has this very different kind of shift in color. I cannot explain it to you. It's basically, it goes from golden to slight pink to a greenish color basically. And again there's a hint of purple as well, which is so pretty. And here I am highlighting my usual areas, as you can see, and just one swatch and it looks so pretty. And now going in with my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Vault Nude Vault, which if you guys have seen my previous video, you guys know it. And going in with Kiko Milano lip liner, which is in number 12. Now going in with the shade Family Jewels, which is this velour lipstick, liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star. And in the middle, I'm going in with I Am Nude for the ombre lip effect. Let me tell you something about this lipstick. It is very, very extremely dry and I hate it. And that's why I'm going in with this Kiko Milano lip gloss. This is their 3D Hydra lip gloss in the shade 23, which is a very pretty pink shade, and topping it up with it because I needed some kind of hydration, you all. You know, this lipstick, the previous one is really drying, so you need a good hydration to your lips. And now going in with this Fix Plus, which is a vitamin C Fix Plus, which is right now my favorite Fix Plus from MAC. And the makeup is done and the look is ready. So what do you guys think about this look? Do let me know in the comments down below, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, which would mean a lot to me because you know your girl is working really hard and I made this video for you all. See you in next video. Bye.